Hello, this is Mehdi Jangju, Adobe Certified Expert. Welcome to Mastering Shapes in Adobe Photoshop CC. I've been using Adobe Photoshop since its first release on Windows version 2.5 back in 1992. So I literally grown up with Photoshop. And now you have me, with more than 20 years of experience in teaching digital arts. But enough about me, let's talk about this masterclass. Photoshop is a hybrid application that gives you great control over photographic raster images and seamlessly combine pixel data with the elegance and form of artistic vector shapes. Even many Photoshop professional users don't aware of the power of Photoshop in creating vector-based artworks, so they don't use these precious and elegant real features of Photoshop. Or they go for some vector-based applications just for the features that already is available in Photoshop. In this masterclass course that I designed for newbies to professional users of Photoshop, I start by explaining the basic concepts like vectors and rasters, and then start using shapes by learning how to draw and manage basic shapes. Then we dive into shapes and I teach you how to edit and modify your shapes and how to create and manage layer masks and vector masks in Photoshop. Then I teach you how to work efficiently with the pen tool and make everything comes to your mind, and then how to manage and reuse shapes you will create. There are lots of tips and notes for you even you are working with Photoshop professionally. At the end of each chapter, I've set an exercise for you to do it by yourself and send your exercise back to me and give your scores. Also, my notes and corrections on your exercises. I end up this course with more than 10 real-world examples of using these Photoshop features. Have fun and enjoy the course.